Namaskar students, this is Deven Devarshi Avasti from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Today topic is professional conduct of a lawyer. Basically, the profession of a law is a noble profession with reference to professional ethics, harbored in compliance with the established set of rules and code of conduct for advocates. There is a given code of conduct for lawyers in India which they are expected to follow while practicing the profession. This code of conduct is laid down under legislation that govern the legal profession in India. Rule for code of conduct of lawyer is mandated to secure the importance of legal profession in India as the lawyer are officer of the court who play an important and critical part in securing the administration of justice. Legislation that govern the profession of lawyer. First, the Advocate Act 1961, Bar Council of India. The professional ethics for lawyer are expected to be adhered to and followed by the lawyer so as to protect the integrity and the highest standard of legal profession in India. Ethics of legal profession in India has been divided into following. Basically, first, duty of advocates towards court, duty of advocates towards client, duty of advocates towards opponent, duty of advocates towards fellow advocates. A person who wants to be recognized as a successful legal professional has to expand his knowledge of the law, enhance his communication skills, sharpen his wits, and hold on to his perseverance. This is just a glimpse of the foundation of becoming a good lawyer. But definition of good has to be sought after one's by own endeavor and determinations. Lawyers are required to strictly followed by the code of conduct prescribed for them. If lawyers fail to comply with the prescribed bar council code of conduct or does not oblige the professional ethics of legal profession, then a case of professional misconduct can be either filed against them by a third person or court can suo moto can take action against them. Thank you.